going over the jobs that have been, like, Ramona's already built some units, so we need to just go through them, make sure that they're built the right size, and then everything is there, so that we can move them here to the painting booth.
You want me to hold Batman?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hold Batman.
And then going over the inventory that he was doing here at the painting booth. And come here, and just going over next week's jobs. Yes. So happy Friday!
Come over
Say happy Friday!
Come over here.
Okay. You don't want to work anymore?
I work last day.
This is your last day?
Yeah.
You're quitting?
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah.
What?
I work last day.
Okay, well, I'm gonna be sad, and Papa's gonna be sad that you're not gonna be working with us.
So,
Oh.
look, I'm not coming back.
Fireplace. Well, it's already built. So, well, for the fireplace, it only needs to get the top painted because everything else is gonna be stone. So that should be done fairly quick. And then for the other unit, for the same client, everything needs to be painted white. That's all gonna be for next week. And we should be done. As soon as that's done, it's ready to be installed.
Beautiful.
This is level, that's level, that's level. The floor is not level. So we have to adjust for the floor. So we're gonna cut for the floor because this door is gonna be a stationary door, it's not gonna move. And then we're gonna have 2 additional barn doors in front of this one, covering this whole entire space here. So we're just kind of doing some little custom cuts to it right now. And then we need to fit it in there, and we need to make sure that it's straight. So we're working on what we got. So this is what we're gonna use to mount all the hardware for the door. We created a header inside, but we just wanted to add another nice little white board coming across, so it looks super, super cute. Super cute. Don't put that on there. Un huequito. Have I told you there's no one above you? Send that to Veronica.
I feel so special now.
Send it, no, that's for Veronica.
Oh, that's not for me?
No, that's for Veronica.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is just for a little bit of caulk that we'll put around the base, the header that we put up. You know what I mean? Just to make it look a lot nicer. And then we'll do this at the end, but I already want to have it. I think we're getting really close to the end.
对，都在干啥？我就反正不下去。
Look at that one.
Huh?
What was that?
A TikTok, man. TikTok is trending. Ramon said he's buying lunch, so we gotta hurry up.
Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm going over each job. I try to do it every other day. Actually, we're supposed to do it every day, but I try to do follow up each job every other day and talk to the guys, see what's the status of each job, and then I'll get back with the customer and tell them the status, if there's any new status. And so right now I'm just letting the customer know for that unit that I was going over, that Ramon is building, that she can stop by Monday. She's available to pick up the color, hardware, and all that stuff. And then I gotta hurry up because I have to go pick up Mateo at my dad's. But yeah, that's what I'm doing.